doing my Christmas finest. Got a new gumball machine under the tree, but I can't get into the gumballs until Christmas. It is a pretty treat, though. Now today, Elon's Conservative is going to attempt picking this American lock sent by Chris Capone. It's a really fun pick. Hopefully, the lock don't go camera shy, but knowing Elon's Conservative, it probably will. Okay, Polar Bear. Don't forget my sucker at the end! I will not forget that, Polar Bear. Okay, so as you can see, I have opened it. It is actually key retaining, but of course we can't put the key in there right now because it was open. But here's the bitting on the key. So he told you it was key retaining. Okay, so we're going to be using a top of the keyway today. If I can get the tension wrench properly placed. But yeah, this lock is a really, really fun pick. I'd gotten it opened about a month ago, and then couldn't open it again for, God, it seemed like for 2 or 3 weeks, and since then I've gotten it opened multiple times. But the lock body is just so smooth, even though you can see some grinding lines. But yeah, the outside is just smooth as butter. It's just a pleasure to hold. Well, the other day I was on the bus picking a lock, and I was using the shallow hook from my original Sparrows kit, which I use for almost all my picking. And next thing I know, it goes flying across the aisle, and I don't find the other piece of it. So yeah, I've had my first broken pick. But we're having a very nice Christmas season. We're doing a Secret Santa at work, and so I need to stop by Walmart here in the next couple of days to pick up my item. I'm going to get them a Bubba stainless steel 40-ounce cold hot bottle. Of course, I don't use it for cold because it's actually got a straw in it. But I do have a coffee mug from Bubba that I also enjoy. I actually picked that up at the Habitat for Humanity resale store. I think I got it for $1, and it's been well worth that. Don't know why somebody gave up on it, because they are wonderful and a lot cheaper than certain high-end stainless steel brands. I won't mention Yeti. I mean, Yetis are very, very nice, but I think Bubba's are just as good. Can't believe I don't have this open yet. But yeah, I knew it was going to be camera shy. And if you got any spare change, next time you're at your local coin store, you might want to make a donation to the American Red Cross, as they will be spending a lot of money right now due to the tornadoes in Kentucky, and there's been a whole lot of people who lost their lives there, and I really feel sorry for those families to experience this at this time of the year. I mean, it's not good at any time of the year, but yeah, during the holidays, it's especially bad. Oops, sorry about that. And I hope you're all having a Merry Christmas season. Swear I was almost there. There we got it. There we got it. There we got it. Yippee! Time for my sucker!